In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save your passwords on Google Chrome. So saving your passwords on Google Chrome is really useful for if in future you do go ahead and you lose your account by forgetting your password, you can then recover your account by finding your password inside your Google account. So as you can see here, I am on Instagram and I am going to save my Instagram password on my Google account in today's video. So first of all, what you'll need to do is just simply go ahead and type in your login details. Once you have typed in your login details, all you can do is simply click on login. Once you click on login, you may get an option to save your password like this. But if this doesn't come up, what you can do is simply click on the little key icon in the top right hand corner to save your password. Click on that and then you can simply click on save, so save in your Google account. So once you click on that, what you need to do is just simply check on this drop down menu here and just simply check that it says save in your Google account and not save only on this device. So once you have gone ahead and done that, you can click on the save button, and what that will do is it will save your login details on your Google account on Chrome. So that's just how easy it is to save your details on Chrome. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments section down below. Drop a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.